coming into a seated position. I'm bending one knee and extending the other leg out. Shoulders down away from the ears. And then walking the arm out to the extended leg and the opposite arm over the head. Feeling a nice stretch in the side of the ribs. Draw the shoulder back, allowing the ribs to open. You might be up here, you might be here. And then switching to the other side. Arm extended along the straight leg. Opposite arm over the head. Breathing into the side of the ribs. And rising back up. Bring the feet together, taking hold of the ankles, and allow the knees to drop down, shoulders down and away from the ears. If your knees are really high, sit on a block, and that should help. Take care, have a good day.